Hi guys, how you doing? This is Matt, MC Model Works still. Yep. This is what I'm working on at the moment. A replica Gibson Les Paul. At the moment it's cost me a fraction of the cost of a real Gibson. That is my AFD Epiphone slash Special 2. Voted one of the best guitars, one of the best cheap guitars around. So this is my build at the moment. Let's put this down here. Okay. So we have full gloss. See that? Beautiful. True oil. Make 20 coats on there. We have a Gibson Les Paul on the headstock. On the back, we have. We get it. There's a serial number which says 301993707. 30199 is my daughter's birthday, and 3707 is my son's birthday. So that's where I'm going with this. Where am I at the moment? Well, we're lacquering, true oil over the vinyl decals because the other decals, they did not work. Yeah, so that's that at the moment. We're moving on quite rapidly. Pre-drilled for the humbuckers and the pickguard, which is a bit brought a tear to my eye because I spent a long time on this finish, and having to drill holes in it is like, it's just getting. Anyway, something I had to do. That inside the pickups area is self-adhesive copper tape, and if you heard that, that's my son playing Fortnite. So we got some in there, and we got some in selector switch area and the tone and volume area. Reasons being that when you reduce the two humbuckers to one, or vice versa, there could be interference going through the whole thing, and it doesn't sound clean. And yep, so do it now rather than do it later. Okay, so that's where we are with that, and I'm just getting ready to set up. Bear with books. Okay. Right, just getting ready to set up for a bit of wiring. Luckily, my day job is I'm an electrician, wireman, so which is handy to have. I downloaded a schematic from Axtech, which is where I got these fellas from. I'm going to have to shut that door. Right, so these are the old, or the volume control. Excuse me, pause this. Right, sorry about that, but yeah, all quiet now. What we got is the old volume control, which I'll be detaching and resoldering it onto this part here, and then this should go between the volume and tone, a bit like that, really. You got this end which goes to your rhythm and treble selector switch, and you got this end here going to your jack. Now there is another end, this end here. This end, which comes from that part there, which is also attached to the body. It's also attached to the screen. On each wire there's a screen which is attached to each body, so it's an earth. Okay, so that earth will be going on the bridge of the guitar, so there's continuity there, so you don't get electric shock. So screen on there, screen a little bit there, goes to the jack, that goes to the other part of the jack, blah blah blah, and yeah, that's that. Go on Axe Tech, that's where I got these from. These were about 150, 125. And there is a schematic on there which I'm using to do the wiring for this. So I'm going to break open my soldering iron and crack on with this, and hopefully in the next couple of hours or days should have that bit done. So that's that. Now I've got my pickups. Now my pickups, last time you saw these, they were they had black surrounds. So I got cream, black and white surrounds. I wanted some kind of vintage look, so I've ditched the black and gone with the vintage look. It looks a bit cheesy. My son's still going. So yeah, that's that. Don't think I'll be going with white. Although I'll try a few variations before I make my decision. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Stick around. We'll do a variation. Okay, so this is what we got. These are the black surrounds. Let's go this way. Okay, so black surrounds. We got our ivory pickguard, and we change these to the white. Look like like that, or now it's showing the ivory same colour, but it's clearly not. You see that? There you go. Okay. So that's better. Okay, so that's white with the ivory. We have also, let's just lay this on it. I've lost the pickup. Oh, and that. There we go. Yeah, so that's kind of where we are at the moment. Decisions. I think that one is actually supposed to go that way around. Like that. Yeah. So that's where I am at the moment. I would have liked that to be lighter than that. Whether I change it in the future, it's a possibility, or it's get these to go discoloured. I'm not sure. So that's where I am. So yeah, I'm wiring next. All good fun. Thanks for watching. If you want to like, comment, or subscribe, not pleading or anything. Yeah. Cheers guys, I'll see you in the next update.